Switzerland has made huge contributions. Probably most prominent are the pharmaceutical companies. Here, for example, in Basel, we have Novartis. They have developed and provided now Coartem, which is the key anti-malarial drug, basically to millions of people, and this has clearly saved a lot of lives.
There was an organization created called Medicines for Malaria Venture based in Geneva. Now, of course, they can't do their work on their own. They work in partnerships, and they organize those partnerships in a fantastic way. And that's where we come in as Swiss TPH in terms of partnerships. We have, of course, our background is biology, parasitic diseases in the field, tropical diseases mainly. And that's where we can contribute with our malaria cultures in the labs, and people are really happy to see what is happening in this malaria drug pipeline. Those successes keeps us motivated and basically does every day.
We have also been really at the origin of MMV, because it was Swiss TPH staff together with the Swiss government that started the idea. And this at the time was an incredibly new and innovative idea, which solved an untractable problem at the time, which was that there was no more new anti-malarials being developed. And so this new model was a new way of doing business. To this day, it has worked extremely well. We have a fantastic pipeline of new anti-malarials coming through. And we have also created a new model for developing new tools in situations where there is market failure, where there is not a commercial incentive to do it. That applies to other drugs, other diseases, to vaccines, but also, and that's a little bit kind of a great story, is to the development of antibiotics, because antibiotics suffer from the same market failure problem, and we, in some ways in Switzerland, now benefit from that idea that was developed 20 years ago.
Our institute has made major contribution to discover, help developing novel drugs, novel diagnostics, and not just the development, but also the validation, rigorous validation in the field through our partnership network, Tanzania, Côte d'Ivoire, other endemic countries. Health systems interventions, I give you an example. In Tanzania, our institute, together with the Ifakara Health Institute, has been instrumental in bringing insecticide-treated nets to the large rural communities, and we see a very strong decline in child mortality.
We evaluate new tools for the fight against malaria. We're very proud that we've been involved in some of the latest tools coming onto the market, which have now been used by the WHO and are rolled out in malaria endemic countries.
Elimination is possible. We have a lot of positive examples. Next year we will certify even big China that we will be able to eliminate. And if we keep this momentum, we use the existing drugs with the strategies that we have a good surveillance and public health response, we can eliminate.